Hello, hi. Today we will be looking at colors and how to use them in scripts. So we're just going to be looking at some functions for colors, um, and just how to use them. So we'll get our part, which is script.parent, and we'll get the part color by using part.color. So it's this color right here. So the first function we'll be using is the simple color.new, and so this is the red, green, and blue values, and also the alpha channel. So this is the transparency. So like this is semi-transparent, this is fully transparent. If I got that right. So how these work, the strange thing about this, you do not need to have the alpha channel. You can just have the red, green, and blue. So the strange thing about how this works in scripts is it doesn't use the 255 RGB like this. It uses it like with a decimal. So it's like 0.5, 0.25. And so the way to get the color you want to use is we'll just get like a color like this. We'll get this color, and then get out your calculator. I promise this won't be too complicated, but you want to get your color, so let's say 95, and divide that by 255. And this really big number is your value. So you need to go up to down with these values. So this is our red color. And then 94 divided by 5, or 255. 94 divided by 255 is this number. Good luck pronouncing that. And then the blue here is 255 divided by 255, so that's just 1. Actually, let me make sure that's what that is. Yes, just 1. So this is 1. And the alpha here is the transparency, so the 1 is like, you can see it. 0.5 is like semi-transparent, and 0 is fully transparent, so you can't see it. We'll just leave that at 1. So now we'll set this to like a different color, and if we join, then it changes color. So that's how colors work in scripts. They're kind of complicated, but you'll get used to them after a while. So then there's color.random. This literally just picks a random color instead of you having to do like math.random for each of these. So this will just pick a random color to change it to. So this weird, ugly color. From hex, this will just use the hexadecimal value. So if you'd rather use this little value down here instead of the RGB and do that complicated math, you can just do that. So we'll just get a color, and we will put, this has to be a string, so put it in as a string with the quotation marks, and then we'll change it to show that it changes color. So here, and if we look around, it's changed. So yep, that's how to use colors in Polytoria. If you got any questions, you can ask me in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.